Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make carrot and coriander soup. It's another slow cooker recipe. So we got onions, coriander, celery. I'm just going to use chicken stock. We don't have any vegetable stock, so I'm just going to use this. And I got butter, and then okay, I'm going to cut the onion. Okay. Hey. I'll go home tomorrow. Yay. Okay. So I'm just going to put olive oil in the pan. I'm just going to, and then we just put that and butter. Get a spoon and oops. I got this. I'm going to put the plate, I'm going to put the finger on there and then turn it on. So it's on, I might turn it down. So now the butter and oil are all mixed together. I'm going to put onions in. So we're going to saute the onion. You're gonna need to put the onion in that one. It doesn't really say. Okay. For 4 minutes and 2 seconds. Oh, okay. I'm going to add the celery.
Yes.
So I'm going to cut potatoes. We got the whitewash potatoes, so it's I don't know. So we got small. One, two. This is 3. This is 4. Yeah. So we've got potatoes. So we can put potatoes in. Ouch. Only one thing you don't do, put your fingers in there. That's what it looks like. Okay. I'm just gonna bit ask Ro. Well, don't ask me because I'm not really yeah, but I thought and this makes another good. Not supposed to. So we're going to do 8 cups of milk.
What's that?
What?
Oh, you must. Oh, okay. She'll mix with it. Get Mum to get some buns. Get Mum to get some buns.
So that's 1. wants to go out. Okay. Here you go. And we got. No, we're just going to use. And then I'm going to put it back. So we're going to do the coriander. I'm not going to do too much of it because I can't stand this stuff. I'll cook this on this. We've got the coriander. I'm just going to put the coriander ground in here with the other coriander. I might try this. Oh. So I'm going to mix it around. I'm going to plug it in. Put the thing on. I'm going to turn it on. No, I'm going to turn it on first. So, put it on. No, I'm going to put it on high. I'm just going to put it on high. So, I'm going to put it on high. Just got to get them up. What?
I thought there was tomatoes in here, but maybe I've seen things.
I don't know. Oh. Okay, I'm just going to do salt and pepper again. This thing's got a light on.
Yeah, that's right. It's got a light on it.
That's cool. Whoops. Okay, salt and pepper again. Oh. Thank you for watching carrot and coriander soup. I'll write the description down below. Subscribe, push the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.